This video is for anyone who wants to become an Afa agent in 2025. Alright, so all what you have to do is to type this domain name in your search engine and proceed. You are going to see this particular interface where they will say fill in your login or sign up details. So if you are a new user, what you have to do is to switch to the sign up mode and begin entering your credentials. Alright, yes, as the username, then you enter the email. All right, so let me be fast with this particular process. Then you enter your first name. Oh, sharp. Then you enter your password. So you create your own password. All right, so you repeat the password. Then you make sure these password match. All right, first we are going to accept the terms. You shouldn't tap on it, just accept. Then you accept, subscribe to receive other updates. Once that is done, all you are going to do is to tap on sign up. Then you can save your password, so you will just be logging up straight. All right, so once you get to this particular interface, they say welcome to ultimate blog. Register your friends and family on Afa, on MTN Afa, and talk non-stop with them anytime, anywhere. All right, so always note to make sure you have enough wallet balance before you place your order. So right here, before we move on with placing our order, you have to make sure we have enough wallet balance, and here it appears 00. All right, so what you are going to do over here is to tap on this menu bar and you tap on wallet top up. All right, so once you tap on wallet top up, you're going to see this particular interface where they say minimum deposit is 10 Ghana cedis. So you cannot deposit less than 10 Ghana cedis, but you can deposit more than 10 Ghana cedis. All right, so this is a manual approach. So what you are going to do over here is to follow these steps to top up. All right, so please make a deposit to the account number listed below. All right, so this is the account number you are going to deposit, and this is going to be the Momo name or number. You should see any of them, then you can proceed with payment. But this is what you must note: you must always use your username as the reference, and your wallet will be credited once payment is successfully processed. The process does not take long. It takes up to 10 minutes for your wallet to be credited. Thank you. Once there is a delay, you tap on this particular button. It takes you to WhatsApp. Then you report. But still, you can tap on this WhatsApp icon over here and it takes you there straight up. All right, so the next thing you are going to do is to come to your home, and once you get home, what you are going to do is to tap on order for Afa. If you are a new user, MTN Afa is a core package bundle that gives you the opportunity to enjoy free calls with subscribers and also spend less on calls. All right, so what we are going to do over here is to become an agent, whereby we have access to registering people on Afa only 2 Ghana cedis. What to do is to buy Afa now, add your customers details. So you don't enter your personal details, but you register your customers. You are seeing this because you've not topped up on your account, so you make sure you top up before you proceed. If top up is done, then you are going to see your account balance. Then you tap on place order and you will be able to place your order. Situation whereby you come back and see the old customer details over here, please make sure to clear the billing details before you input your next order. So this is what we bring to you, and here is where you can track your order details, being it done or being it pending. All right, and you are going to be receiving email messages that shows your order has been done. I still remain Scamper, and don't forget to subscribe to this particular platform for more exciting content like this. I'm out.